everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. We are doing our 2023 Kid of the Month. I know you're seeing this in January 2024, but let's go ahead and see what they got. I can tell you right now, this is probably not going to be an easy snoozer to use it. I'm going to continue it. I think I'm going to just rename it. Right now, it's still December 2023, but January would be the end of a full year, right? Because this is the last kit of 2023. So it says this is Kit of the Month Difference Maker. Okay, it says life is tough, but so are you. I like the sentiment. Living on a prayer. Definitely can relate to that. Difference maker. And I guess this is a definition. And then it says she overcame everything that she was meant to. She overcame everything that was meant to destroy her. I like that. I don't like anything else about this kit besides this flower. So I'm hoping this flower is huge. I like this. Okay, I lied. This is nice. The three sentiments, this one I don't care for, but these three sentiments I enjoy. This is okay if you're doing like a Halloween or maybe a Christmas situation. And then what? Yeah. Anyway, let's explore the kit. This is the stuff that you get for free. I think Wonder Dreamer would like the feathers because she likes feathers, and she probably would even like this little feather. I feel like they had a bird. They just went to the back and plucked it. That bird is molting. And then we have these cute little butterfly cutouts, which I like. You know, I'm a butterfly fanatic. And we got two buttons, two wooden buttons. We got some pearl strips. The person that does this, they have to go and cut all these up. So I wonder how many subscribers they have for the Kid of the Month. And then we had this little, very cute little vintage miniature paper clip. Then we have three little papers that's supposed to be burnt, but I'm not sure if these are for real burnt or if that's just aesthetic. And then we have this, very pretty. This is cute. Very pretty. I rarely, oh, we have three buttons. Ooh. Oh, and we have two paper clips. Ooh. I love that. What I was going to say is I rarely ever use those free gifts. I have been contemplating what to do with my kits. I'm still subscribed to them for now. Will I continue that for 2024? I don't know. I probably will just because I'm a creature of habit and I feel bad. I don't know. Anyway, so this says you are tough. Life is tough, but so are you. This is really pretty. I think this is another butterfly. This is not the one we got in the kit. So this they show you how they did it. This is cute. It gives hope to that. And then another one. Yeah, I'm not. No. Like I feel like when you see the same thing being used, you can tell that the people are like, "What am I supposed to do with this?" I don't know. They are pretty decent size. I wish that this one was a little bit bigger because this is bigger than that. Like it's wider than that. And then we had this little background. Now, I do think that this would be good for some mixed media work, so that's fun. Again, I'm not a big fan of this sentiment. But anyway, I guess you'll see tomorrow what I choose as my snooze it, right? And I use it. Maybe between now and the time I actually make the card, things will change. I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.